Here's a look at your market recap on this Monday, the 28th day of October. Take a look at what's going on at the auction barns around the state today. Callaway Livestock Center, they sold a load of steers midday, 861 pounds at $253. China Livestock Market looks like they're going to exceed their expectations today. They've got about 1,300 head so far. Several impressive stick-out sales of some heifers up there today. A load of 625-pound heifers sold at $280. A load of 944-pound heifers at $256. Then a load of heavyweight steers, 911 pounds, $251 and a quarter. Joplin Regional Stockyards, they're going to exceed their expectations today as well. They're looking at about 7,500 head now. Mid-session market, steers stayed at $7 higher, with most of the gains on the heavyweight steers over 8 and a quarter. Heifers are selling mixed from 3 lower to 4 higher. The unweaned, non-vaccinated calves continue to see substantial discounts. The steers in Joplin, 4 to 5 weights at $290 to $347, 5 to 6 weights at $272.5 to $310, 6 to 7 weights at $259 to $283. 7 to 8 weights at $249 to $269, 800 to 900 pound steers, $244 to $256.75, 900 to 950 pound steers at $235 to $241.50. Feeder heifers, medium and large ones, 4 to 5 weights at $271 to $310, 5 to 6 weights at $253 to $271, 6 to 7 weights at $246 to $260. 7 to 8 weights at $234.5 to $247, 8 to 9 weights, $217.50 to $235.50. Box beef cutout values, choice closed up $1.26 on Monday afternoon at $323.50. Select down $2.90 at $292.18. That makes the choice select spread $31.32. Volume today, 156 loads of cuts, trimmings, and grinds. Negotiated feedlot trade. Nothing's really occurred today on Monday. Didn't expect it would as the market tries to figure out where it's going to be this week. Last week we had volume of 98,023 head of negotiated sales at the feedlots. That's more than any week since this time 1 year ago. For the 7th consecutive week in a row, those prices were higher last week. Live sales averaged $190.11, dress sales $298.89. Closing futures markets on Monday. Live cattle for October 190.17 up 47. December 189.7 up 12. October feeder cattle 45 higher 250.07. November 249.20 up 62. Weaned hogs for December 80.62 up 95. February 84.22 up 80. Turning our attention to the grain markets, things weren't near as positive today in the grains. At the elevators around the state, soybeans were 14 to 24 lower, wheat down a dime, corn 5 to 8 lower. Corn bids in the St. Louis region 405, Kansas City 365 to 375. Soybean bids in St. Louis, 997 to 1006. Kansas City, 909 to 964. Wheat bids, St. Louis, 468 to 514. Corn bids, December, 410 and 3/4, down 4.5. March, 426 and 3/4, down 4 3/4. Soybean bids, November closed the day at 974, down 13 3/4, and January 986, that's down 11.5. Wheat bids, December 558 3/4, down 10 1/4. March at 579.5, down 9 3/4. The soybean meal for December lost $1, 304.80. Soybean oil for December, 42.69, down 146. Taking a look at the Missouri Crop Progress and Condition Report. As of Monday, corn harvested 86%. That's nearly 11 points ahead of the 5-year average. Soybeans are sitting at 75% complete. That's compared to an average progress of 57%. Pasture conditions. As of Monday, we're now looking at 44% of the pastures around the state rated at very poor to poor, 35% fair, and only 21% at good to excellent. With the Missouri Department of Agriculture, that's a look at your market recap for Monday. This is Tony Hancock.